Hey family, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia, aka Sis Went Vegan, and I'm back with another tasty video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make a vegan Philly cheesesteak sandwich. I'm so excited to be making this sandwich because Philly cheesesteaks is one of my favorite types of sandwiches. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. Try to watch through all the way to the end so that way you can see the final results and also what I do with this meal. Let's get into it. This was such a quick and easy meal to make, and it's delicious too. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. Now yes, I did make me one of these sandwiches and they are bomb, but I also made extra so that I can give them away to some of our homeless friends in my area. This is something I have always wanted to do and I'm so happy to get started with it. They're going to be receiving one of the Philly cheesesteak sandwiches as well as waffle fries, fresh fruits and vegetables, water, and also some hand sanitizer. I am so excited. Now I don't know if I'm going to record myself giving it to them just because I want to be respectful of them and their privacy, as well as making sure that they're comfortable. So you may or may not see me give it to them, but just know that those are the items that they will receive. Go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel, become a part of the family. I cannot wait to see you guys next week. Bye.